Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to give an explanation about 28th aphorism according to Organon of Medicine 6th edition. So let's get started. So in 26th aphorism, it is explained how a cure occurs, or say the homeopathic or natural law of cure. So in 28th aphorism, he explains, or say he mentions that this natural law of cure manifests itself in every pure experiment and every true observation in the world. The fact is consequently established. It matters little what may be the scientific explanation of how it takes place, and I do not attach much importance to the attempts to explain it. But the following view seems to commend itself as the most probable one, as it is founded on premises derived from experience. So, homeopathic law or natural law of cure is based on experience, and it is always observed in each and every phenomena, and it doesn't matter how exactly it occurs. Means the mechanism behind how it is occurring, but this is the way it is occurs, and this is the most probable one founded by Hahnemann and many people as well, which has been discovered and which has been happening in nature or universe since like times immemorial. This is the way I understood. It's my own understanding that this is something which really explains the survival of fittest as well in some or the other way. That means a stronger one, a stronger mental and physical ability, I believe, has made the human now the highest evolved organism on the planet, because though dinosaurs are such a of such a larger physical being couldn't survive because they weren't fit for the environment that was being happening back there at back their time given. So there are many, if you can recollect, there are many organisms that were present, if we go through the history before times, which were present, which are not seen now. They have become extinct because they are not stronger as per the environment, and they have not adjusted or adapted as per the environment, because we have adapted, humans have adapted to the thing. That's the reason, I guess, there is larger amount of humans found on this planet than any other organism, which is not so much as physically and mentally fit. Physically I don't think, but mentally and intellectually as fit as human beings, because there are many beings which are physically very strong and very bigger than us, like elephants and everything, but with our might and intellect we have even controlled that, so we have trained that. So that is the power of mental and intellectual capacity, and that has made us to stand at the pinnacle of the evolution on this planet. So this is my understanding, and that is really apt, that a stronger one definitely removes the weaker one. That is seen in the treatment, or say cure disease, and everywhere possible, everywhere, and there is a probable explanation, and based on that only the cure occurs. So hope this podcast was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till then, bye bye and have a good day. Bye.